Okay. Effects on social life. Okay. As when Warren Hastings became the Governor General of India, he started collecting the revenue, and he was known as a collector. He was behaving like whom? As a collector, yes.
Yes.
Then he started the function of a judge. Then our administration, village administration, and that all was destroyed. Gram Panchayat include the administration of the entire village. Then Panchayat, the backbone. Then they stand on the ground and they were collecting, the Britishers were collecting the revenue and they were destroying our administrative policy. Yes, you are coming what I am speaking. Then the people of India
Yes.
were feeling insecure. Then what they have thought, our government was feeling that our people will be changed into the Christianity, and they will be destroying our Indian culture forever. Yes, then they have started social system in India. Railways were started, military work was started. Then in Agra, they have to sell it to British, and if they are not saluting, then it will become a crime. And this way, the people were very anger. They were feeling very angry. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who will read?
Yes.
I
I
read
read.
Chandra Meda.
I
Yes.
read.
Side मैंने बोला. Okay, ma'am.
Effect of
Effects of
social life.
social life. कर ले सही तुम.
Okay. Effects of social life. Warren Hastings, the person who was given the job of collecting revenue, was known as a collector. He has performed the function of judge. The British system of administration destroyed our ancient system of self-rule. The ancient times. In the ancient times, every village was like a small republic. Gram panchayats held the administration of the entire village. These panchayats were like the backbone of the self-rule in our country. These institutions of local self-rule stood their ground even during the times of foreign invasions and the Sultanate period, but were destroyed that were destroyed due to the administrative policies of the British. The policy of social reforms by the companies made people feel insecure and suspicious. They felt that government was trying to convert them into Christianity, destroying the Indian culture and religion forever. People believed that the Indian social system was deliberately undermined in the railways and military. An order was passed in Agra that every Indian had to salute the British. If it was not done, it was considered a crime and was liable for punishment. As a result, they were restored the franchise of
Okay. So understood
yes,
Yes.
how our people felt insecure. And after, that, then it is
मैम रीड करना है.
no. Then it is destruction of Indian trade and industry. Yes. So handlooms and uh, textile markets, which we were doing trading with Asia, with European countries. We were not paying any taxes, but then after we have to pay 80% tax. The Britishers took from us 500 rupees, 500 crore rupees standard rule, yes, from Bengal during their rule. Then they have taken our whole wealth. Then, with the help of raw materials were collected from them, which was produced in India. Money was collected, business and industries were prospered. Mills started progressing in. Then our skilled workers become very poorer, they became unemployed, glass, paper industries that were ruined, and due to this, we have closed some of the industries. So our destruction of Indian trade and industry become like this way. Clear?
Yes.
Start reading.
Dis- Destruction of Indian trade and industries. The handlooms of Indian supplies textiles to the markets of Asia and Europe. The traders from from the European countries used to come to India to purchase common commodities. The Indian made jute, silk, woolen and cotton textiles were in high demand in the European markets. The soft and delicate muslin of Dhaka was world famous. Apart from textiles, commodities such as salt, sugar, etc. were exported in exchange of a tremendous amount of Indian gold and silver.
And next,
With the help of the raw materials produced in India and the money collected from India, the business and industries in Indian prosperity, their mills started progressing. The cloth manufacture in England was exported in India without levying any duty on it, whereas there were tax up to 80% on the cloth manufactured in India. As a result, textile made in India become cost.
Sunraj,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, wait for 2 seconds. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, beta, continue. Sunraj.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, मैम. कहाँ था? As a result, textile made in India become costlier in India market itself. The Indian handicraft and cottage industries will not withstand the competition, and they
Commodities
will
it is.
not com- yes, it is, and they will not sustain themselves. Many silk-based industries of our country like textile industries, glass, paper, mineral, shipbuilding, etc.
Etc. got
Our
ruined.
etc. got ruined due to the policies of the British. Lakhs of skilled workers become unemployed,
Unemployed
unemployed,
means because
unemployed.
they became unemployed means without the job. Okay.
Yes. Gradually, the poor workers of the rural areas of India becomes poorer.
Okay. So this way they became poor also. Yeah. Clear how they were
Yes.
in loss. How our Indian trade market and industries were ruined. Understood, beta? Now, next is suspicion about the reforms. Okay, when William Bentinck became the Governor General, at that time, what happened? He has done many activities. That is, the system was banned, orthodox class people were changed. Yes, and then one resolution was passed at that time that 1 lakh rupees will be given for the education, for English education. Next, Lord Macaulay thought introducing English education in India at that time what Gandhiji spoke that to give millions of knowledge of English education, it is better to enslave them. That by receiving English education, we have enslaved the nation. So we are receiving English education, yes, but better it's not to receive English education. Okay, better it is our people will not understand the English education. Yes, they will not learn education
Yes.
that is English. Then universities were started that is in Mumbai, Thane, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Three universities were started. Next, many machines and industries were invented for military. Then printing press, circulation of newspaper and all that things were started. Clear beta, post telegraph was started, communication, wireless system was started.
Yes,
So clear? Okay. Do you
yes.
read? Sufyan, continue reading.
Okay, ma'am. Suspicion about the reforms. When William Bentinck went to India, regular thinking was making reforms
Yes,
with
one thing I
England.
missed out. He was also known as liberal governor. Why he was known as liberal governor? Because his thinking was very liberal. Yes?
Rebel means
Huh?
rebel means
Liberal means I think say that not he was not giving so much of punishment and at all. He was not ruling powerfully. Okay, he was liberal. Got it?
this way of thinking slowly reached India. The British rulers started taking interest in the lives of people of India. Lord William Bentinck became quite popular in India but introduced a few beneficial reforms. During his time,
Wait a second, Sufyan.
ma'am,
Wait a second, beta. Wait.
Farhan.
hello, ma'am.
आएंगे रुक
Okay. Got it? Continue, Sufyan. Sufyan.
वही लेफ्ट already.
Okay, then you continue.
Okay.
Hmm?
conscious about the reform.
I continue.
When William continue.
Continue.
Okay, ma'am. Raja
From first
Ram
only
Roy
you
and
continue,
the
beta.
what, ma'am?
From first line only continue.
Okay. When William Banting came to India, popular thinking was getting stronghold in England. His way of thinking slowly reached India. The British rulers started taking interest in the lives of people of India. Lord William Banting became quite popular in India by introducing few
Few
beneficial
beneficial reform.
reforms. During his time, Indians started getting jobs in company administration. Indians were allowed to use their mother tongue in the court of law. Raja Ramohn Roy and the social reformers were constantly making efforts to stop the evil practice of sati. Bentinck agreed to the reforms and passed laws to ban the practice of sati. During the time of William Bentinck's term, English rulers tried to eradicate the social evil as per the William of the social reformers. The Orthodox मैम अभी बाकी है ऊपर करो The Orthodox class witnessed these reforms with distinction. The company had passed a resolution to spend 1 lakh rupees every year on education, but it was not implemented. Finally, an education committee was formed during the time of Bentinck. In the year 1834, Lord Macaulay thought of introducing English education in India. However, the education of Black was innovated by Macaulay. मैम नीचे करो could not could not benefit the youth. India lost the advantage of acquiring the institutions knowledge initially developed by their ancestors. The method of getting education system was opposed by a number of intellectuals, and Mahatma Gandhi called it as to give millions in knowledge of the East to enslave them. Said by receiving this education, we have enslaved the nation. Later, three universities were established in 1857. The Britishers could get educated workforce due to the introduction of English education. Alongside it
So
also
English
developed
education was started
alternative
by
thinking among the educated
Sati system
Indians.
was banned. Yes, orthodox mind people was changed. Yes, then machines were invented for industries, transport and communication facilities started. Start.
Machines were invented to facilitate the industry and transport and communication, considering the convenience, learning, administration, and strategic importance for the military. The British introduced the rule of India.
Next, in order to maintain, hello,
Yes, ma'am.
continue in order to maintain.
In order to maintain
Your voice is cutting, Sufyan.
ma'am now.
Sufyan,
Yes, ma'am.
speak.
In order to maintain an effective control on the country to exchange passengers with the neighboring territories, economic methods of force and middle-class were introduced in the 1854 city. Printing press and the circulation of newspapers grew alongside. These reforms were actually for the convenience of the British rule in India, but it turned out to be a blessing in disguise for the growth of nationalism in India. The plans that acquired the Indian education amended the social reforms and nationalism into the things they were more familiar with than the contemporaneity and globalization world around the post and telegraph brought people closer.
Clear? Clear, beta?
Yes.
So over here we complete with our chapter. Are you clear with that? This chapter? Any doubts? Any doubts, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good.